Hi everyone. Let me start with a simple question. How many of you visited a website today? Maybe Facebook, YouTube, Google Classroom, or even a school website. We all use websites every single day. But here's the exciting part. Did you know that you can actually create your own website, even if you're not a programmer or a web designer? Yes, it's possible, and it's super easy thanks to Google Sites. Today, we're going to learn how to start making your very first website using this powerful but simple tool. So, what exactly is Google Sites? Google Sites is a free website builder from Google that lets you create websites without needing to know coding. It works with a drag-and-drop style, which means you just click Insert and arrange elements like text, pictures, and videos. Why is this useful? For students like you can use it to make a portfolio of your projects and achievements. For group work, you can create a class project site that all your classmates can edit together. For personal use, you can even create a business page or a family event site. Now let's look at the main parts of Google Sites. Insert tab. This is where you can add text boxes, images, videos, and even files from Google Drive like Docs or Slides. Pages tab. Here you can add extra sections or pages like Home, About, or Contact. Themes tab. This allows you to customize the look of your site by choosing colors, fonts, and layouts. Creating a site is really simple. Step 1. Open Google Sites and click the plus blank site button. Step 2. Give your site a title. Step 3. Add a text box and maybe upload an image. That's it. In just a few clicks, you already have a working website. Now, let me ask you to reflect for a moment. If you could create your own Google site right now, what would it be about? Would it be a site about yourself, your hobbies, your school projects, or maybe even a small business idea? Think about it, because Google Sites can turn your ideas into something real and shareable with the world. To wrap up, Google Sites is a simple yet powerful tool that allows anyone to create a website without coding. You learned today about its main features: Insert, Pages, and Themes, and how easy it is to start a site with just a few clicks. In our next lesson, we'll go one step further and learn how to design, customize, and publish your Google site so that others can see it. So remember this: you don't have to just browse websites, you can actually build one. And who knows? The next site we'll be visiting online might be yours. Thank you.